laptop. They'll leave you alone. And look at this little businessman!
That's my boy. No, my boy. Run.
Oh, your breath is rank.
Duncan. Duncan. Duncan.
Okay, that's not supposed to.
I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it.
3, 2, 1.
El perrito se fue de casa.
Doing parkour?
He's mocking you.
There's a cat in my wall, and I'm really confused on how that happened. But I'm just gonna ignore the fact. I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
This guy trying to show off playing with a piece of fuzz. Well, can he dance? How can he do this? I don't think so.
Are you?
Mia!
Who are you?
My name is Snoop D.O. motherfucking Double G.
Oh my God, I want to take him home. We can put him in the truck.
We could put him in the truck.
We can put him in the truck. Look at him.
Come on, this way. Come on. Alright, fine, we'll turn around. No, come on, nigga, we gotta keep walking.
Winter code is coming. Let me do it. No, I want to show. Sorry. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo. Oh!
Hello.
Okay, can you sit? Oh, there you go.
Do Superman, do Superman, do Superman.
Shut your door, sir. Thank you.
What have you done? Why? You can't fit through the gate door.
Henry. They're supposed to go in their paddock.
Daisy. Hi. Oh God.
Do you like squeaky toys?
Too fast. Too fast. Too fast. Too fast. Too fast. Too fast.
You can run. It's okay. Oh, you mother! What the?
I think that stick is too big. Oh!
Angel, can I get an apple apple?
Oh.
That's a great photo.
Trip, it's you. Oh man, you really serious?
Otis, what you doing, little man? Comfortable, my boy?
Where is it? Where the is it? I swear to God.
I don't understand why people have to like get ready for bed. Like, I'm always ready for bed.
Oh. Oh! Drop it. Aspen, just drop it.
Huh?
The other thing is like, I thought, oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
I mean, then look at this then. I can't imagine a more beautiful thing.
Oh no.
Zoe.
Crossing the road. Oh my god.
You get a picture?
I'm getting a video.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Doggy waiting for his poopy chino.
Bud, come on. Bud, you hungry? Bud.
Jesus!
Guess what, everybody? We have 10 million views on TikTok. I don't even know this person. It's a long part of the tail.